This is the new look for 2018. It's just cute, right? Harry Potter vibes. Drink that coffee, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am alive. I feel like I've been offline for so long. I've been sick forever. This is the longest I feel like I've been sick in a long time. But I'm finally feeling back to life, and although my voice is still froggy, this I feel like is gonna go away within 2 days. So I have a bunch of tips for you guys if this is like the worst flu season ever. So if you're feeling sick, you look sick, I am gonna have so many tips for you to not look sick. And this is a really pretty, easy winter glam makeup look. Basically, this guy right here is going to be your makeup artist for the day. It is the easiest look. It's so pretty, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it out. And also, my next video coming up is going to be an exciting one because it is going to be the reveal, finally, of my cosmetic line, Dominique Cosmetics, and the Latte palette. I'll be showing you the inside, my journey, and also showing you a look with the palette. So I'm so excited for my next video, so stay tuned. And if you guys want to stay updated with Dominique Cosmetics, I'm gonna have my website below as well as the Instagram, so don't forget to check that out. So if you want to get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna start off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer and work it in really good because my skin is extremely dry. My lips are really dry. I have just been trying to look as normal as possible these days. I have been sick for like, it feels like such a long time. My eyes are darker than usual. My voice is still a little scratchy, but it's definitely way better than what it was. If you guys are out there right now and you're sick, flu season is really bad right now, and I just want to give you some pointers. I have the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream on my face. I have the same under eye cream, and then this hydrating primer. So anything that can make your face look a little bit more plump is what you want to grab. Also for my lip today, I'm using the Drunk Elephant Lippy just because we don't want cracked lips. We're still trying to look glam through the sickness. We're still trying to look glam through the winter. After I'm hydrated, super moisturized, then I can move on to my skin. I'm actually gonna do my skin first and then my brows. I've never tried this foundation, and I just got this in from Dior, and I'm really excited to use it because I looked it up on Sephora and it has almost a 5-star rating and a ton of really good reviews. The one thing I noticed about it when I swatched it on my hand is that it is very thin, diluted. Now let me try this myself because I haven't tried it out. So let me see if this is actually buildable to full coverage. I know it is definitely a medium coverage. I just love that maximum coverage with that barely there feeling, which is really hard to find. So if this is that foundation, I may have one of my favorite foundations. Already, like just the corner of my eye, the darkness is already going away, which is awesome. And also just a tip for you guys, I always like to give you guys tips as I go through my process. Ooh, this foundation smells really good. If you use a lighter hand, you're going to get more coverage. I'm just like very lightly bouncing that on my skin. This is actually the perfect color for my skin tone. I'm just gonna do half just to see, and we can compare together how well it is covering up my skin without making it look cakey, because it feels like I have nothing on my skin right now. That is actually amazing because it really feels like I have nothing on my face right now. And I just put like 2 layers on my face. From sick to I've never even heard of the sickness sick. Ill? What is that? This side of my face looks so healthy. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. This foundation is really good, and it says to shake well before using it, which I didn't do. We'll just shake it midway through, no big deal. I didn't even tell you the shade. Gosh, I haven't filmed in, I feel like I haven't filmed in so long. I don't even know how to do this right now. This is shade 23. So let's see if it works its magic on this side of my face. This should have been half and half, like half sick and half not sick. Or I don't know how I would title that, but it should have been something like half and half. Let me put on my brows really quick. There's a new brow pencil from Maybelline that I wanted to try out. It's called Total Temptation Brow Definer in Deep Brown. It looks like this. When I see pink, it's super girly. I love it, and I just want to use it. It's like a tiny little midget spoolie, and I think it's the cutest thing. And I actually feel like it would be more useful than the longer one. So I just want to try it out. Everything around your brow area is dry. Then I would go in with your brow pencil or powder or whatever. It's like a diamond shape, so I feel like I can get some really precise lines with the tip. And then if I want to fill in the rest of the brow, I can do that easily with just one brush, just by looking at it. So I'm really excited to try this. And then I'm gonna take this little guy, it's so cute. Reminds me of Boba's face. And just brush the hairs upwards and comb through. And I'm happy with the way my brow looks like this. I think it's super natural. And I think that this color works perfectly for my brow color. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the Urban Decay X Kristen Leanne Daydream palette. I think this is the most delicious looking packaging. I just wanna eat it or lick it or something, or put my finger in it. It looks way too good. I'm just saying, like, it makes me want to eat cake right now. It is such a beautiful peachy kind of palette. It's like something you can wear every day. And you open it up and it's these really pretty whimsical flowers. It just looks so cute. It has a little brush in it, little turquoise brush. One side is flat and then the other side is a little bit more tapered, so you can get like on the lower lash line, or you can do the outer corner. I'm gonna start out with Lucy. Lucy is just a matte cream bone shade that I'm gonna put all over my lid. This is gonna instantly make your eye look awake and alive. I'm gonna go ahead and work the 12-12 onto the lid with a flat brush. So I'm gonna take Daydream, the lightest crease color, and Subscribe. I'm gonna mix them together right around that peachy shade. Okay, so I just made a decision right now to put tape on the edge of my eye because I want to have more of a cat eye look. So I'm gonna grab that, actually line it up right here to the edge of my brow. So just like that. Okay, I haven't done that in a very long time. So I probably just taped some of my lashes, but that's okay. So anything that goes outside of this is not gonna touch your skin, so when you peel it off, it's gonna have a nice sharp edge to it. It's gonna make it a little bit more glam without having to try. You're just feeling a little lazy, you know? You just don't feel like doing much. Let the tape work for you. So I'm just going to bring out those brown shades, those natural warm tones. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and just go around the edges and softly buff out all of the edges, deepen up this outer crease with 8. I'm gonna use the little brush that comes in here. So I'm gonna take that right on the edge. It's kind of the perfect brush to do this with. It's a really nice chocolate brown. I'm gonna take this brush right here, it's the M507, and a little bit of 8, and I'm gonna work that into this area right here, like right on that crease, just to deepen it up a little bit, add some depth. So this is more of a glam look, so I'm gonna take this black. This is a new brand that I haven't used. It's called Huda Beauty, and this is a gel pencil in black sand. It looks like a really high quality pencil, and a lot of their makeup looks very high quality, so I'm really interested to try it. I'm gonna lift my eye up a little bit and just drag it right across and work it right on the edge. You don't have to really worry about messing it up because the tape is your guide. I'm gonna start to drag out the black with this liner brush. I'm gonna drag it out, but I'm also going to clean it up, soften the edges, and make it look a lot more smooth. Once I smoothed it out, I'm gonna take more of the 8 shade and work it right on top. It's gonna give it more of like a smoked out effect. It's also gonna make the black look less intense. Gives you more of like that chocolate, hot cocoa, winter day vibe. Winter night, actually. Or if you want to wear it during the day, it's up to you. But for sure, it's going to give you that smoky look. I'm going to peel this off and hope that it doesn't look crazy. Let's just see what it looks like. Looks all right. Looks pretty good. Just clean that up a little bit. There is this really pretty shade that I definitely want to work into the inner corners. This shade right here, I actually want to put it all over my eyelid, but since we already are here, I'm gonna take Corona from the Kaleidoscope palette. Really use this side of the brush to just work that into the inner corners. Right in there. This is such a beautiful bronzy golden color. I think this has got to be one of my favorite colors for sure. So I'm gonna clean off my face, put on some mascara and lashes. So Elcie just launched a mascara, it's called Lashful. That's a cute name, Lashful. It's more, I feel like this is more of a lengthening mascara, and it also pulls out those hidden lashes. I usually wait to put on mascara on the lower lashes until I'm done, but who's watching? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes from Huda Beauty. These are the Noelles. Got the lashes on, and they're really interesting because I hadn't opened them before. These are not double stacked. They came apart like they're two different lashes, which is interesting. I didn't know that they were made like that, but it's really, really pretty and just super fluffy, so I really like them. I'm gonna take Daydream and Subscribe again on the lower lash line because my eyes are a little bit more red and I'm still kind of sick and I want to look awake and healthy. I'm gonna take this Wander Beauty nude gel pencil and I'm just gonna hit it right on the waterline. I just want to show you the difference before I go back. Now we are alive and we are going to conquer the world from now on. So I just got these new highlights in from Hourglass. This is called the Vanish Champagne Flash is the color I have, and it's a highlight that looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my cheekbones to give me that glow. And I'm putting a light layer on before I put on my concealer. And if you're looking for another thin formula that's really full coverage, the Urban Decay Naked Skin one is another amazing feeling on your face without having the cake. And then it gives you that flawless look. I'm not gonna push down too hard because I wanna get the most out of the concealer. I want it to be more full coverage because my under eyes are extra dark. And if you put this type of highlight underneath your concealer or have it slightly coming through your concealer, it's gonna give you more of a natural glowing within kind of look. Contour that I'm using is from Natasha Denona. This guy right here. It's a really good sculpting powder. I'm gonna do my nose first. Let's get that straightened out, literally. This is the M572 brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna work that right along the edge of my nose. And I'm blending around the nostril just so you guys know all the info. And then you can go across as well, but I'm not actually gonna go across today. I'm just gonna go right below. Anytime you contour, make sure that you are blending upwards, not downwards. And because my face is a little bit more rounded, instead of cupping it right in this way, I like to go straight down towards the end of my mouth, right on the corner. And it just gives the illusion of a more slender face if you're more rounded. I'm gonna take the highlight from Kristen Leanne, and this is the Beauty Beam highlight palette. I'm gonna take these two colors right here. Ooh, can't see them, right in there. Oh my God, how did that even happen? I'm gonna take those colors and just work a little bit right onto the cheeks. I don't want a crazy highlight today. I just want something that's more subtle. And then I have this Zoeva Opulence palette, and it's such a pretty package. I'm gonna take the two middle shades, mix them together, and apply a little bit to my cheeks, like a tiny bit. And I'm not touching the apple, I'm letting the highlight kind of sit there and shine. For the lip, we are gonna go, Kristen Leanne has 3 lips, and they're in these hot pink lipstick cases. They're really cute. There is a purple one, and it's called Cloud 9. It's matte. And there is Bun Bun. It's a comfort matte. And yeah, it's Bun Bun. And it's cute because it has Kristen Leanne. It has a heart with her name right in the middle of it. It's actually a really pretty color, I think. This is actually a really pretty color, and I think I might try this one with this look. There is also Spellbound, which is a mega matte. It's a dark purple. Oh, I forgot to set my makeup. I'm gonna set my makeup with the Wander Beauty in their powder foundation. It's actually in medium, but it's pretty light. Looks like that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, learn things from this video, don't forget to thumbs up the video. And also, if you're feeling a little down, if you're feeling a little sick, then just go to sleep. Go to sleep for the rest of the day. Take everything off your list. Take everything off your list and just sleep. Don't try to do things. Don't wear yourself out. I tried to do that and I made myself way worse. So just speaking from experience, please do nothing until you are rested and healthy and you can move on with the rest of your life. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, dollies.